Kids Print. Hello kids. Today we will learn days of the week. So let's start. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. There are 7 days in a week. Let's say it again. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Thank you for watching. For more such videos, subscribe, like and share.